Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by a viewer named William. Be sure to check out his channel linked below. In the summer of 2015, William was going through a volatile and emotional divorce. After officially separating with his wife, she moved out of the family home with the children. A few days go by, and there's a knock on the door. When William answered, he was met by officers of the Murfreesboro Police Department, there to assist William's estranged wife gather a few essential items she had previously left behind. About a month goes by, and on June 15th of 2015, multiple deputies of the Rutherford Sheriff's Office appear on William's porch. The clip ends as the unidentified deputy disables the camera by unplugging it. They knock on the door, but William refuses to open it, trying desperately to not make any sounds indicating his presence within the home. Eventually they leave, and William repairs his camera. Later, at a divorce court hearing, William agreed to allow his ex-wife a 45-minute window to pick up more of her belongings from within the house on June 24th, 2015. William agreed not to be present, but his ex requested an escort from the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office. When they arrive at the home, it appears as though one deputy opens the mailbox, removes something, and puts it in his pocket. It's unclear what, if anything, the deputy took. Regardless, a mailbox is still within the reasonable expectations of privacy that is protected in the Fourth Amendment. A warrant is required to even open a mailbox. Now, if a mailbox had no door, an officer could visually inspect the contents, but would be violating federal law if he removed anything. A short time later, the deputies moved to enter the home. William had made it clear that a key would be under the mat to gain access, and that he would not be present. No one knows what William's ex-wife told the deputies, but it prompted them to break down two doors, as though they were executing a no-knock raid. Luckily, William was not home, but he watched in horror via a live feed as the officers destroyed his property over what should have been a peaceful exchange. William tried to file a complaint and sought payment for his damaged home, but has told me that the sheriff's office wasn't very helpful in offering a complaint process. The supervisor allegedly told him that since they were married, and that she allowed them to force entry, that there wasn't much that could be done. When confronted about the mail issue, they simply told him, "Good luck." William now lives in the Philippines, where he works as a lens fitter. He is happily married and runs a YouTube channel with his family. If you have a chance to head over there to show him some love, please be sure to let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.